Hey there! This sales message tutorial will show one how to integrate with their HubSpot account. First, you'd head down to your profile, select Settings, and navigate to Integrations. Find HubSpot and the corresponding Connect button. You'll be prompted to log in and then select your account. Now that we've successfully integrated, let's see what it looks like inside of HubSpot. First, here on the contact record, we see right away we have this new extension, Text Messaging by Salesmsg. Click View Sales Message, and you'll be prompted to create a contact if it does not already exist. Once the contact is created, you can use this extension to send a text message. Not only that, but if we come back to Salesmsg and configure our HubSpot integration settings, we can set our timeline events to event per message and check our filter to get all of the texting correspondence here on the timeline record. Another place you'll see Salesmsg now existing in your HubSpot is in Workflows. Here in Workflows, we have a couple of new actions. The first one, send a Salesmsg SMS text message. And the second, send Salesmsg SMS as contact owner. And that's how you know you've successfully connected to HubSpot. Thanks for watching.